Welcome to my hydra and land development. So we started plastering inside because I want to do the windows. Did the plumbing. So the plumbing comes from out there to this pipe, into this back pipe. So I ran the plumbing and the sewage in this bathroom is completed. We also started plastering inside the house. So I ran the sewage all the way through the house. It's ran. Sewage is ran in here. It's ran for the water to the kitchen. Sewage and water is ran. I'm gonna pour concrete in. I still have to do this bathroom and then the other bathroom. So far, I ran it through. And then, only thing left is to do a suck away.